Here we come to the elevators, to the air train at JFK Airport. These are Schindler. Go to 1. Give you a cab view. These are very nice. Really nice glass elevators. Level 3. Fuck, my parents keep calling me. I'll be there in a few minutes, Mom. I'm on the air train elevators. Capacity 6,000 pounds. Oh, what the heck, one more ride. Gotta hurry this up, my parents are getting mad at me. I'll be there in 5 minutes. Okay, wait for me. I'll be there in 2 minutes, okay? Okay, bye. We'll go up to 3, a little under video this time. I do not want my parents to leave me. Look what it does. Takes a while to start going. See, it does that. These are quite nice for Schindler, actually. Here we are on 3. Oh, we are almost on 3. Here we are on 3. We'll end our video now. Okay, and that is it.